Right, so in this video we're going to make some shortcrust pastry. Once you've weighed off your ingredients, 2 ounces of butter, 2 ounces of lard, 1 ounce of sugar, 2 tablespoonfuls of water. Now just start rubbing the fat through the flour using your fingers and thumbs. We do this to disperse the fat evenly through the flour until it reaches the fine crumb stage. You can see how it's nicely coming together now, and eventually you'll end up with a nice mixture of flour and fat. Now at this point, if you just squeeze a little bit of it together, and you can see how it's going to form a paste. So just finally bring it together, and then we can add our 1 ounce of sugar dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. I should point out at this stage that the whole idea of shortcrust pastry is to keep it short as possible so that you get that nice melt in the mouth pastry. Put so much water in and it'll toughen the mixture, it'll make it into a more like a dough, and it'll start developing the gluten in the flour, which is what you don't want. So you want it like a shortbread biscuit, that melts in your mouth. And by just sticking to the 2 tablespoons full of water in this pastry, you're just going to get the right consistency. Once you start pulling it all together like that, you end up with a clean bowl, and Bob's your uncle, you've got some nice sweet shortcrust pastry to work with. All that remains now is to put that in a food bag, leave it in the fridge for half an hour, and then in the next video I'll show you what we can make with it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for what you can make with sweet shortcrust pastry.